Right now we're at 3i from the summer packet. We have the limit as y goes to 5 of this particular function, or expression I should say. And now we're going to go ahead and try direct evaluation, see what happens. So if we just plug in that 5, we end up with 2 times 5 raised to the second plus 2 times 5 plus 4 all over 6 times 5 minus 3. And this entire thing is still being raised to that 1/3 power. Now, with direct evaluation, let's go ahead and see if we get that 0 over 0 indeterminate form, maybe where that doesn't quite work. Well, using our order of operations, we see that we have 5 squared is 25 times 2, that would give us 50, plus 10, plus 4, all over. On the bottom, we end up with 30 minus 3, which is just 27. And this, again, is still raised to that 1/3 power. Now, just combining like terms on the top, we end up with 64 all over 27, raised to that 1/3 power still. And at this point, there is a property, from algebra that says we can actually rewrite this rational exponent as the cube root of, and then what's inside. So we have 64 on top over 27. And the reason why that actually works is the numerator, so this number is a 1. So really what that's saying is you have this entire piece raised to that positive 1 exponent, but because our denominator has that 3, that's actually what is our index. So again, this is like our radicand. This entire first or inside piece would be considered our radicand, and this number on the outside, that 3, is that index. So just a little bit of algebra from a while ago, but there is that property that we can use. And then there's also the quotient property that deals with radicals that says that we can actually break this top piece up and this bottom piece up into their own cube roots. So we end up then with the cube root of 64 on top all over the cube root of 27 on the bottom. And now we can actually treat each cube root as their own. So we end up then with just the cube root of 64. Well, that's just 4. And then the cube root of 27 is just 3. So we actually do end up with a limit without the 0 over 0 indeterminate form. So again, that is problem 3I from the summer packet.